I'm a baby, boom, boom, boom. I'm so boy. I'm baby.
It rains again.
To Fiji.
What she said. Welcome to Fiji. But yeah, we are up. And so at home right now, it's 2 p.m. It's mid-afternoon. We all kind of just woke up though. Ooh, this lighting though. Oh my gosh, it's nice out.
Man, we're tan.
I know.
So tan.
Yeah, so it is 5:57 a.m. here. And look at how beautiful it is.
Imagine this being your everyday view.
No, that would suck because everywhere else would look ugly.
That's true.
Yeah.
You go to the States and you're like, what is this?
I know,
Disgusting.
right? No, but this is so nice. And so the sunrise is over there. So we're gonna sit here and wait for the sun to come up and just get that view.
Welcome. Morning.
Morning.
How'd you sleep?
Slept well.
Okay, good.
Right under the AC unit.
I know. I don't know if we said it yet, but this whole place doesn't have AC except for the bedrooms. So we're all like migrated to our bedrooms whenever we get too hot. Probably like pushed up the bed up underneath the thingy so that we'd be warm or cold. I can't speak. Where's my head? Good morning. Good morning. Which one do you want? You want all of it? Yeah? Do you need some help? I'll carry this one. Got it? Yeah. Oh no, now you have a blankie? You're never gonna put that down. Good morning. Did you sleep good? This one slept the longest. Did you say good morning? Good morning. Whoa! Oh no, get it, get it. Oh, no. Do you want some boost?
Thank you. Who wants food?
You want boost? Can you get it? Okay. No, 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 right here. Do you need help? Oh. No, it's right here. It's not gone. Yeah, there's a lot of alcohol in there too. You want that? He woke up last night around 12 and then at 3 a.m. again, and then he just slept in until like, it's about 8 o'clock. It's 7:30 a.m. now. Holy crap. It feels a lot later because the time change and everything, but. You wanna come sit next to Jackson? He's eating his breakfast. Here. Good morning, Nene. Aw, it's so sweet.
He doesn't want to eat.
Oh, he doesn't want to kiss?
He doesn't want to eat.
Yes, he does. What is that?
No.
Drone? Yeah, good job. Yes. You want it to fly in the sky? Okay, he's gonna make it fly in the sky. You just sit here, watch. I'll go get you your breakfast. Taylor just texted me and said she has Sutton at the mall with her. And look, he's passed out at the mall, just chilling. And he slept until 8 a.m. this morning for her. So I feel like a proud mom. I feel like he only wakes up throughout the night for me. It's like he knows that I'm there and he just wants to wake me up.
Night.
What?
Night.
Oh, the cows? You want to go see them?
Night.
There where they went night? Yeah, they're going night.
Oh, I got you.
It's not cold.
And then I'm gonna clip them together.
Okay.
It's yummy. Not hot. He's so cute. Hop 2, 3, 4. Hop 2, 3, 4. Are you ready to go on the zip line, Jackson?
Yeah.
Yeah. Hey! Hula!
We're in the bus. We're in the bus. Finally, everyone in the bus. It took forever to export and upload the vlog. We were supposed to be gone by 9. He came at 8:50. It is 9:39 a.m. That means we're like, they were waiting like 45 minutes for the vlog to upload, just because like we don't have Wi-Fi or service anywhere else, so I had to upload at home. And I should have done it last night, but I was so tired. I was so beat from the sun and eating and all that stuff. We're just having too much fun. But yeah, the vlog's finally, oh thank you baby. The vlog's finally uploaded. It was a stressful situation, but we're on our way. We're gonna go ziplining, jump off waterfalls. Here we go. The views here are amazing. That car just got in the opposite lane and passed us. Oh, what the? I think we're going too slow. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Yo. They almost head-on collided. Really?
$200 ticket.
Oh, look at this car. Dude, everyone's crazy.
Oh my gosh, oh my gosh, oh my gosh.
Please say yellow.
Say yellow.
Say yellow.
No touch.
Maybe you will go make the gun? No. No.
You have to jump from here.
Here we go. We're here. It's called the Sleeping Giant Zipline. Adorbs. Here we're signing like some kind of waiver and registering for like food and stuff like that. We're geared up, ready to go. These kids, wherever they are, oh my gosh, they were just like kicking and screaming. Did not want to wear the harness, so they're gonna stay with Nani.
I'm gonna stay here and watch you.
Yeah, literally. What happened? You wanna watch us? Okay. Okay. All right, come on. All right, y'all boys ready?
Awesome.
Hey. You literally did perfect too. Oh, I suck.
Learn from your mistakes.
Dang. All right, and now we go on a hike. We go to the next zip line. Almost there, guys. Almost to the next one. Hey, good luck. You landed on me first though. Hi.
Hi.
She gonna bite
Hey,
me?
little guy.
Do butterflies bite?
No.
They're poisonous, but they don't bite.
Oh, cool.
Hey, little guy. Whoa. We're all amazed by a freaking butterfly. Let's go. Yeah. Here we go. All right, the next one is a hike. It is so far away that it's just like, I don't know if some of us are gonna make it just because like we're not athletically in shape enough. Oh hey, look, we're here.
I thought you were being serious. I was like,
I know, right?
No, it's right here. Holy.
oh my gosh.
Oh, this is cool.
Dude.
You good?
This is serious.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my gosh. All right, I want to retighten my harness just to make sure.
Woo!
Nice, mama. Just got done ziplining. Oh my gosh, it was my first time ever and it was so much fun.
Awesome job, bro.
Yeah, oh, you saw me go upside down? Alright, thanks. Yeah, these kids, they didn't want to go, but it's okay. They're having fun in this little creek. Be careful, kids. Look how adorable they are. You're having fun, Jackson? No underwear off. Oh, the water's not that bad.
Pretty cool.
Oh, hey. Hi, Nene. Slash. Whoa, no.
Daddy.
We're gonna eat, guys. Mama, you ready to eat?
Yeah.
Wow, this tree is beautiful. Oh my gosh. I wish this was in my front yard. Look at this seating area. I love it. Right next to a little creek with the waterfalls and stuff like that. Wow, what a view. Guys, I love Fiji. The only thing is the dang mosquitoes. I have like 50 bites all over me, even though I put on like mosquito stuff. You got any mosquito bites, Mama?
No, not yet.
Dang,
They're
lucky.
all loving you.
Aw. Oh my, look at that burger. Hook it up, man.
No, go get food now.
Okay, all right.
Go.
Wait, Nene, wait.
Yummy.
You know what?
You love watermelon? Oh, look at him.
Thanks for coming back. We're done.
I had to put the kid down. I'm still holding mine. My goodness.
Ah, bug flew on me. Is it yummy? You want banana? No. How is it, Jackson? Good? Take a big old bite.
Mommy, I don't like the ketchup.
Oh, there's no ketchup.
Mommy, I don't like tomatoes.
Well, yeah, you do. Take a bite.
Pepper.
No tomatoes.
All right, let's take the tomato out then. You're looking good.
Guys, I'm about to get a bucket and just get all this water, bring it back home, and I'm gonna make a killing selling Fiji water. Fresh from the source.
It looks like a huge waterfall to them.
Oh yeah? Oh, it does. Let's go. They're waiting for us.
All right.
You excited to see the big old waterfall? Yeah? The only thing is it's a 25-minute hike, and it's like, he said it is straight up. Like, it's like no hike we've ever been on before. It's a straight up hike. Like straight up it's a hike, but straight up we're going up the mountain. You got Nene, Karen?
I got Nene.
All right, if you need to switch off, let me know.
Nope, I want the light one.
Okay. Ooh, fancy. State-of-the-art engineering right here. Let's go. Wait, hold up. I need to put these dang Crocs in sport mode. There we go, straps on the back. My name is Sutton, boom, boom, boom. And I'm a baby, boom, boom, boom.
My name is Sutton Rain, and I'm a baby, boom, boom, boom.
Me? Bianca. Carry you?
Oh no, he's okay.
Oh, that's so nice of you. You okay? Oh my gosh, your hair. You look sexy.
Thank you.
This is it?
This is as far as I'm going. This ain't it.
Oh, we made it, guys. Jackson was playing with my hair on the way down. I guess he was bored. Just sitting there on my shoulders while we were hiking. While Karen was hiking. Oh my, this is all sweat, guys. I haven't jumped in yet. This is all sweat.
I don't sweat easily.
And you smell. This is awesome though. This is my first waterfall I've ever been to.
A little more.
You were expecting more?
Freaking like a giant waterfall, but it's alright.
Is it cold? Yeah? Oh, you can swim in it?
Yeah.
Oh, that's cool. Jackson's stuck. Okay, can you help him take his shirt off? Fun? That's awesome.
go, we made it. Yeah. Yeah, here, I'll hold you.
Claw's in the way. Baby! You okay?
Whoa. Here, alright, stay over here. No, look. No, I have to go get Landon. You stay over here, okay? That's a close one, so there's like a gap, like right in between there, and I fell through, I guess.
Yummy.
Alright guys, we had such a great time at the waterfall. I think we're gonna spend a few more minutes here and then we're gonna head back, but we're gonna put all the cameras down and we're just gonna enjoy it. Now we go down or up. What the heck is going on here? Why are we at the top of the waterfall going up? What is up with this? Thank you for bringing us. Yeah, thank you.
Oh yeah.
I drink the waterfall because it's Fiji water. I'm fancy.
Jump. My name is Sutton, bum bum bum. I'm a baby, bum bum bum.
My name is Sutton, boom boom boom. I'm a baby, boom boom boom. I'm Sutton boy. I'm baby.
Alright, we're making our way back down right now. Getting eaten up by mosquitoes because the water like washed off all the mosquito repellent, even though they're still eating us with the repellent on, but now it's just like they're attacking us like crazy. But we're getting down there soon and we're gonna see Nani. Yeah, so she brought her inhaler, but the hike up, it was just like way too steep. It's actually really steep. And yeah, so she stayed down there. I feel so bad, she would love it. I'm glad she got to go on the zip line though. Like she stayed with the kids because the kids didn't want to go. And I don't think we vlogged it, but we went another round with Nani and she loved it. But yeah, we're making our way back down now. Getting eaten. Oh, I smacked a few off your back already. Hey Nani, we missed you.
Oh,
We missed you so much.
thank you. I played in the creek, skip rocks and hop rocks.
Here we go.
Mwah. Did you see the waterfall? How big was it? Is it so big?
Oh my goodness. Oh, get my back.
You got straight up islands on your back.
Do I actually?
Yes,
What
it's
about
bad.
this
Oh, not really that side. Maybe under your shirt.
side? This side?
There's one's like half under your shirt. That one's really bad.
Really?
Yeah.
That will bring us back to go.
I started it, just to say. I started it.
We just got back to the house. I laid Landon and Jackson down and Khoa's uploading the footage now for today's vlog, but oh my god, I am so tired. Landon pitched the biggest fit at dinner. It was not even funny. And me and Khoa were talking about it. We're so glad that we have
Sutton.
Taylor to have Sutton.
Yeah, because
He would
here,
be
like think
pissed.
about it, 25 hours traveling, like
Yeah.
airport to airport, through plane to plane, and then whenever he gets here, there's no AC in this house,
Yeah.
and there's literally mosquitoes inside this house because some of the windows they don't close,
Yep.
they're just shutters.
Jackson and Landon are both eaten alive by
Yeah.
mosquitoes.
Like, even while we
it's been a
sleep.
fun trip,
Yeah.
but I'm just so glad that we didn't bring it this time.
He would have.
Honestly, we coulda left Landon.
Like, you know what? I don't care what anyone says.
I don't either.
Yeah, it would have been bad for the baby.
Yeah, we could have left Landon, honestly, too.
That's not nice.
He's
But
been-
that's true.
No, he did really good traveling, you know?
Yeah.
But it's like,
He
he's
did
been
okay
missing his
traveling.
naps and like,
Yeah, he's grumpy. He's a grumpy
but
baby.
whenever it's time to have fun, he's having a lot of fun. But
Yeah.
whenever it's time for him to like
Yeah.
Ooh, he's testy. He's me as a child.
Yeah, he's like how I am now, just tired and grumpy.
Yeah.
Alright guys, but that's pretty much it for today's vlog. I hope you guys enjoyed watching because we had so much fun playing. It was our first waterfall and everything.
Honestly, I just want to chill the rest of the time. I don't even want to do anything.
Same, I'm ready to go home.
No. Well, yeah. I could go home too. But, I mean, I just want to like lay here.
Lay by the pool.
Sleep.
Look at the view.
Yeah.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. We hope you enjoyed and we'll see you tomorrow.
In our next daily vlog.
Good night. Oh, we're on the end screen, Karen. This is awesome. Welcome to the end of the vlog, guys.
If you guys enjoyed today's vlog, make sure to click here to subscribe.
And follow us on our social media right here.
And if you need to catch up on some vlogs, click right here.
And leave some comments down below. I love reading the comments.